Hey guys, welcome back to Anything Goes. Today we're going to be doing a part 2 on CapCut. So I'm going to show you this part. So at the end of every video, there's a default ending, and that's this CapCut logo right here, right? As you can see, like I'll show you again. So how do we permanently remove this from all videos? In the last episode, our video, I showed you guys how to manually remove it. Well, okay, so to remove it permanently in all your future editing videos, we're going to want to go back to the main screen, and you'll see on the bottom right here, it says me. So go ahead and push me. Then we're going to want to go to the top and push settings. Once we get to settings, you're going to see on the second one down from the top, preferences, you're going to see add default ending. And then once we get here, we're just going to go ahead and turn that off. Oops. So we're going to turn it off, this card right here. And from now on, you won't see that default ending anymore. So for example, let's go ahead. Let me put a new video. I'm just going to go ahead and put any video. Hey guys, back with another. All right, so I just put in a new video. And then, as you can see at the end, there will no longer be that. And see you next time. Bye-bye. There will no longer be that CapCut logo. All right, guys, I hope this video helps. Please like or comment below and check out some more CapCut or more videos. All right, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.